Hello student, today we are going to see our poem 2.6 Money. It is our last poem because next two poems 2.7 and 2.8 are deleted from our syllabus this year. So it is our last poem. Okay. Before start our poem, we see icebreaker parts. In it, few activities are given for discussion. You should discuss with your friends and try to find out their answers. Okay, now we see about poet. The name of our poem is Money, and poet of this poem is William H. Davis. Who is the poet of this poem? Yes, William H. Davis. Now we see brief introduction about the poet. He was Wales poet. He was poet as well as writer. He tramped around UK and USA for so many years and get experience about life. At last, he settled in UK. UK means United Kingdom, means Russia. Now we see the central idea of this poem. Now, poet tells us about the how are rich men and how are poor men. Now, in the poem, the poet wants to become poor man. Poet was a rich man. He wants to become poor man. Why do he wants to become poor man according to you? Yes, anybody can? Yes. He wants to become the poor man to get the real happiness of life, to get the real joy of life. So, in the poem, the poet wants to become poor to get the real happiness of his life. According to him, when he had money, he had so many friends, but those friends were not true friends. Those were false friends. He thought that when he become poor, that time his friends will real friends, and so he wants to become poor. Yes. Now we start poem. When I had money, oh, I knew no joy till I went poor. For many a false man as a friend came knocking all day at my door. Yes, poet says that, yes, when he had money, he had so many friends. Just now I told you. When he had money, जेव्हा त्याच्याजवळ पैसा होता, yes, he had so many friends. त्याचे खूप काही मित्र होते. But yes, for many a false man as a friend. Yes, the poet says that when he had money, he had so many friends. He had so many friends. But he hadn't get the real happiness in his life. Listen, when I had money, oh money, I knew no joy till I went poor. The poet said that yes, when I had money, I knew no joy. मला आनंद का असते माहित नव्हतं. कधी पण तर माहित नाही पडलं what is happiness. What is true happiness? What is true joy? Yes, up to become poor. Up to he become poor, he didn't get the real happiness in life. Yes, when I had money, oh money, I knew no joy till I went poor. For many a false man as a friend. For many a false man as a friend came knocking all day at my door. So in the first stanza, the poet says that yes, when I had money, I knew no joy. I didn't understand what is the joy, real joy in life. I didn't know what is the true happiness. Yes, till I become the poor. When he had money, he had so many friends, but those friends were not true friends. Though they are always came in his house, though they are always praise him, though they are always around him, but they are not the true friends according to the poet. Now we see the second stanza. They felt like a child that holds a trumpet that he must not blow. Because a man is dead, I dared not speak to let this false world know. Yes, the poet says that yes, when I had money, I felt like a child. The poet says that की जेव्हा माझे जो पैसे होते मला कसं वाटायचं ॲज ए चाइल्ड, कवीला एखाद्या छोट्या मुलासारखं वाटायचं. Who has trumpet? You know what is meant by trumpet? Trumpet is one of the musical instrument. संगीताचं एक वाद्य आहे trumpet. So when poet had money, the poet felt like a trumpet, felt like a child that holds the trumpet. कवीला एखाद्या मुलासारखं वाटायचं ज्याच्या हातामध्ये काय ट्रम्पेट आहे, बट ही मस्ट नॉट ब्लो, पण तो वाजवू शकत नाही. यस, द पोएट फेल्ट लाईक ए चाइल्ड that holds the trumpet but he must not blow. Yes, and तो का बरं वाजवू शकत नाही? Yes, must not blow because there has been a death. Yes, because a man is dead. Yes, म्हणजे though that child had a trumpet but he hadn't blown that trumpet because there was a death of man. I dared not speak to let this false world know. Yes, the poet says that I was afraid. The poet says that says that when I had money, I had felt like a child who had trumpet, but he hadn't blown that trumpet because there was a death of man. He afraid of being cheated by those who called themselves his friends. Yes, he was afraid when he had money. He had afraid. Yes, someone cheated me because the peoples, those were around him, those were false men, and he had afraid. Yes, someone cheated me, and so poet want to become the poor. आणि म्हणून कवीला काय गरीब बनण्याची इच्छा होती, कारण की yes, then felt like a child that holds a trumpet that he must not blow because a man is dead. I dared not speak to let this false world know. The poet says that yes, I felt like a child who holds the trumpet but he hadn't blown that trumpet because there one was dead. Yes, he afraid someone being cheated to him because all the men surrounding him were false men. Now we see the third stanza. Much I thought alive and seen how poor men's heart are ever light. Yes, so though poet had so much money, but he hadn't lived true life. So he want to live the true life, and for living the true life, yes, he want to become the poor. When he saw poor, he thought that the poor persons how get the real happiness in their life, because all the members in his family, including his wife, his children, are always with him, and those were the true friends, those were the true family members. And so he wants to become the poor. Listen, much have I thought of life and seen how poor men's hearts are ever light. He saw the poor men are always happy and happy in their life. They have not any tension, and so he wants to become the poor. Yes, and how their wives do harm. Harm means listen here, sing with closed lips. म्हणजे always their wives speak about him, praise him like a bees. Yes, how their wives do hum like a bees. Here is the simile figure speech also and the onomatopoeia figure speech also. Okay, yes, and how their wives do hum like bees about their work from morning till night. Means the poets in the third stanza, the poet says that yes, he want to become the poor because he saw these poor men are always happy in their life. Yes, his wives, his children, all their family members always around with him, and they always talking about him. Okay, they are always talking about them, and always living with them, and they are true friends, they are true family members, and so the poet wants to become the poor in their in his life. So when I hear these poor ones laugh and see the, yes, the poet saw that these poor persons are always happy in their life, they always laugh in their life, they are always happy, and while the rich men, yes, rich ones coldly from means worried, yes, he saw the life of poor men. Those poor men always live the life, get the real happiness in their life, live the real happiness, live with real happiness, while the rich men always were in worried, always in tension. Yes, poor men things need not up so much as rich men should come down. Yes, so the poet wants to become the poor, means he saw these poor men are always happy, they haven't any tension, they live the real life, they get the real joy in their life, while these rich men always in tension, they were in worry always, and so he wants to become the poor. Yes, things I need not go up so much as rich men should come down, and so he decided to become the poor, he decided to come down. Now we see the last stanza. When I had money, oh, my money, many friends prove all untrue, but now I have money, oh, I have no money. Yes, the poet said that. Yes, again poet says the same thing. Yes, when I had money, I have so many friends, I had lots of friends, but those were not true friends, those were only around with me for getting something from me, those were praise me only for getting something, some profit from me. And so the poet says that when I had money, I had so many friends, but those friends were not true friends. But now the poet says that now I have no money. Poet says that now I have no money. The poet says की आता माझ्याजवळ काय पैसा नाही आहे. I am a poor person. Now I have no money. My friends are real, though very few. The poet says that when I had money, I had so many friends, but those friends were not real friends. But now I have no money. But after all, I have friends. Those numbers are few, but those are the real friends according to the poet. Means through this poem, poet want to says that money is not everything. If you want to get the real life, yes, it is. You should get a real happiness. You want to live the real life only in the poverty. When you are poor, you get the real friends, not in the richness. Thank you.